Hi and welcome to Retro Eric. Today I'm gonna try this Plus 4 for the first time, but before I do that I want to change the power connector. As we can see here, it's a square power connector, but and I have a square power supply, but I don't know how good that is. So to not take any chances and destroy my Commodore Plus 4, I'm going to change the power plug from a square one to this round power plug, because we can then use a brand new power supply with a less chance of destroying the computer. So let's open it up and have a look inside and change the power plug. So the motherboard is now loose, but we have a shield on the bottom and it looks like it is soldered in place. So I need to start up my soldering iron. So the equipment is in place. Let's remove the shield. I haven't tried using this tool for these kinds of solderings before, but let's take a look. Using this soldering iron took too long, so I've brought this bigger gun. So let's try that. Oh yeah. Good. Now we have taken it out. Let's turn it around. The card is now free, and this is the square power input we are going to change, and these are the soldering points that we need to remove. So the power connector came off very easily, and the holes, they look clean. So let's just make sure that these pins are correct. Yeah, they look good. So let's just try to slide it in. Oh, that was almost too easy. It fitted straight away. Okay, let's solder it in. Yeah. I have put a knife under the power connector to make it more stable. So the only thing left now is to solder it back on. The soldering is finished. Let us just clean a bit before we put it back into the case. The board is now cleaned, so let's put it back in its case and turn it on and see if the computer works. Before I put it back, I'll do some cleaning on the PCB here. Nice, that looks much better. So maybe I should give this casing a bit of a clean. That is better. I have connected the power supply. I've connected the video out with a S video signal. I'm turning on the power supply. I'm turning on the +4, and we have red light, but we don't have any pictures. Okay. This video is not finished yet, I can tell, because we don't have any pictures. Now we need to figure out why. I just connected this Commodore 64 to just make sure that the power supply was working and that the screen is working. And as we can see, we both get power and we get a picture on the screen. So we can be pretty sure that the problem with the +4 is not the power supply or the screen. So we need to dig deeper. I turned off the camera for a while because it was easier for me to locate the problem. I have another Commodore +4, so I opened that up and I switched the CPU, the 8501R1. And when doing that, the new machine worked. So therefore I know the problem is the CPU, so now I need to find another one like that, or maybe one of these replacements CPU. So I don't think I need to wait for that part to arrive to finish this video, because we know when using the CPU from my previous Commodore 64, the new one works. So I think this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.